Fast food is an unhealthy food that has a negative impact on human health, especially in restaurants, where fat and calories are high. It is one in all the largest reasons of immoderate weight problems inside the entire world, in particular burger food wealthy in fatty substances and dangerous oils on the human heart and overall health. Burgers can be prepared at home in healthy and delicious ways at the same time. How to make a healthy burger. Ingredients: Preparation method. Mix the minced meat well with a teaspoon of salt, a workshop of black pepper, and a teaspoon of ground coriander and olive oil, leaving it to rest for half an hour. Shape the meat in the form of medium-sized circular discs, control its thickness according to the person's desire, and it is best to make it medium until well cooked. Grease the grill with a little olive oil, then heat it at high temperature. Put the burger discs on the grill, then lower the temperature to medium, and leave it to redden on both sides and cook well, and make sure it matures by dipping it with mashes. Cut the burger bread in the middle, and put one disc of burger discs, a slice of tomatoes, lettuce, onions and cheese, respectively inside. Burger bread can be greased with a little yogurt mixed with a little garlic paste as an alternative to mayonnaise. Roast the burger in the oven, to get a little crunch from the top, this step as desired.